patrolman. Saan ba yun? Patrol Carpio. Patrol Carpio. Eh kung kasi bata ka pa, may asawa ka na ba?
Meron na po, Your Honor.
May anak?
Opo, Your Honor.
O ilang taon ka sa serbisyo?
5 years po, Your Honor.
5 years. Aga mo pa. Anyway, alam niyo kasi, we have a lot of investigation. Ang dami po namin investigation dito, no? In the previous months, no? Well, in fact, yung Southern Police District, alam niyo, ito, sabihin ko lang dito, sa mga non-commissioned officers. Almost lahat ng commissioned officer, tanggal. Tanggal sa serbisyo, may criminal case pa. Pero yung ibang non-commissioned officer that cooperates during the investigation, kami mismo kinausap namin si RD. Yung NCRPO. Dahil may mitigating circumstance, nag-cooperate, na-suspend, pero hindi natanggal. Hindi pa nakasuhan ng kriminal na kaso. Alam nyo kasi ito, pag kinasuhan kayo administrative, tanggal kayo, akala nyo makalusot pa kayo, may criminal pa. Eh si Chairman Akop, ang dami itong pinatanggal, may criminal cases pa na pinahil. After this, alam nyo ang mangyayari sa inyo, kanya na kayo. The only way, tandaan nyo the only way, of course, except kay Perez, siya tagang bumaril, except kay Macaraig, siya talaga yung most senior and the head of the operation during that time. Pero kayo, you better cooperate and you have now the chance in this committee so that we can also have our committee report and recommending you that during the investigation, you cooperate with this committee. Eh pag damay-damay, di bahala kayo. Ayun lang yung sinasabi ko. Ikaw, 5 years ka pa lang, may anak ka pa, may asawa ka. Ang bata mo pa. Kasi, halata na pinakita na sa inyo yung video, lahat, pati oras, etc. May mga witnesses, affidavit, o mayroon pang yung medico-legal, napakalinaw na hindi nagkabarilan dahil ang tama sa likuran, ang entry. So, okay pa rin kayo, nasasabit kayo dito, samahan nyo lang yung mga opisyal nyo.
And if
Ayun lang, mag-isip na, but this time, pagbibigyan kayo namin. Ako personally, Chairman gusto ko lang ipaabot dito sa mga non-commissioned officer na to. Sayang. Sayang po kayo, lalo na ikaw, Carpio, bata mo pa. You were just, siguro ngayon, mga 25 years old.
31 po.
31. Bata mo pa, 5 years in service. Tapos, matatanggal ka, madidismiss ka, may criminal ka pa na kaso. Pag-isip-isipan mo, kaysa mag-cooperate ka,
And
wala.
more, Congressman Paduano, no, para lang to substantiate more, no, on yung pagiging trigger happy ni Sergeant Perez, no. We have invited, napanood nila tayo, and they wanted to relay yung kanilang nangyari sa pamilya nila, that yung pamangkin niya, si Erickson Sadsad Adan, ay pinaril din. Gantong-ganto din ang pamangkin nitong magsasalita ngayon. So, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. I think andyan si Mario Pasha Adan. Andyan ba? At yung pamangkin niyang namatay na si Erickson Sadsad Adan na binarel, ito yung nagdadrive ng motorcycle. Si Arnold, ano pangalan? Larrazabal? Arnold something. But pwede bang invite yung dalawa? But before that, I will let Congressman...
Chairman.
Okay na yan?
Last na, Chairman, may tatanong lang ako dito kay Perez. Last na lang po itong last question. Perez, kanina at saka nung previous hearing, sabi mo kasi yung mark money is 500, tama? Single, 500 pesos.
Yes, sir.
Mark money. Pero ang inabot sa'yo, ilang grams? 4 grams?
No, sir. Isang kasasar yun eh. Maliit lang, sir.
Magkano? Magkano isang? Pero
sir.
pero binanggit mo 4 grams eh.
Sir, yung upon searching, sir, yung iba, sir, na basura, sir. Kaya naging mahigit 4 na gramo, sir.
Anyway. So, yung 4 grams na recover na lang. Pero yung isang sachet, gaano kabigat yun?
0.2, humigit kung walang 0.2, sir.
Pideya, yung 0.2 ba is 500 pesos, yung street value?
Yes, sir.
Yung 0.2?
Yes, sir.
Sakto, no? Tapos may 4 grams na na-recover. Anyway, that's all, Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Kit Flores, and then Congressman Ace Barbers, and then we will allow those who have watched us, no? And 8 taon na raw nilang kinikip-kip to. So we will be allowing them. But we will remind them also that, of course, presentation lang yan, and we will try to find out the truthfulness of your presentation. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Patrolman Carpio, nakita mo yung video kanina na present ni Chairman Fernandez and dumaan yung green na kotse. Tama? Nakita mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then yan yung road leading to where the incident took place.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala na ibang daan going there?
Wala na po.
Wala na. How long does it take to take you from your station to the place where that incident took place? More or less.
More or less, sir, mga 10 minutes po.
10 minutes. Okay, now, ikaw din nag-testify na ikaw ang nagdala sa biktima sa hospital, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Buhay pa siya when you brought him to the car?
Yes, Your Honor.
Buhay pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, sa sasakyan na green, sinong kasama mo? Sino nag-drive? Sinong kasama mo?
Kami lang po ni PSSG Karandang.
So, Karandang ang nag-drive,
Yes, Your Honor.
ikaw ang nasa,
Nasa likod po ako. Kasama ko po si Brian.
and buhay pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang sugat niya, anong itsura ng sugat niya? Was it bleeding?
Yes, sir. Malakas po kasi, sir, ang
Malakas.
ang dugo. Yes, sir.
So, did you try to stop it?
Yes, sir. Nag-conduct po, sir, ako ng diniinan ko, sir, yung sugat. Kasi po, sir, puro dugo. Kahit, sir, ako, na puro dugo na rin po ang...
Kahit ikaw. And most likely yung sasakyan puno din ng dugo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, so dalawa lang kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And iniwan niyo sa site where the incident took place, sino? Sino iniwan mo?
Ang aming team leader po,
Team leader at saka sino pa?
si PSSG Michi Perez po.
Dalawa lang. Ang naiwan doon?
Tsaka po si PCPL La Rosa po.
Okay, now, you testified na yun lang yung daan going to the place where the incident took place. Now, if the chairman is going to present the video for the whole day na hindi na pinakita na dumaan ulit yung sasakyan, as you said, na 6:30, paano yan? And you said that was the only place to go. And clearly, pinakita ni Chairman Dan that it was just 4 something pa lang nung dumaan kayo. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so the whole day, kung walang other video that will show na dumaan ulit yung sasakyan, then that will confirm that you and the rest of the team have been lying na 6:30 kayo umalis sa station. Tama? Tama? Oh. Carpio.
Carpio.
Mahirap talaga magsinungaling.
Carpio.
Carpio.
Vice Chair, kasi tinanong mo siya na 4:20 yung time.
Will you allow it, Congressman?
No, ano lang. Carpio, tama ba yung pagkarinig ko? Na nung tinanong ka ni Congressman Kit Flores na 14:20 kayo dumaan, umuo ka? Ayun ang narinig ko eh.
Kasi yun ang totoo eh.
Tama?
Di ba?
Yes or no lang?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
No, Your Honor.
No.
So hindi, sandali, hindi 4:20. Hindi yes ang sagot mo kanina sa 4:20. Ay, papareview ko yung yung minutes, yung record. Nung tinanong ka ni Congressman Flores, ng time na 4:20, kayo dumaan doon, nag-yes ka. Kasi yun ang totoo. Oh, Carpio? Oh, you want to cooperate? Kasi huli ka na eh. 4:20, tinanong ka ni Chairman Flo, kay Congressman Flores. yung time na 420 na umuo ka. Oh, you want to cooperate or not? Pwede naman mag-executive session para itigil namin dito magtatanong sa iyo kung hihingi ka ng executive session. Anyway, Chairman, mag-isip-isip po na
Yeah,
siya.
to those members na we believe that is not really involved and nape-pressure sila because of kasamahan, we can have an executive session sa inyo. If you request us to have this discuss the truthfulness of the issue. Nasa inyo yun. Otherwise, kung hindi, we will be moving to cite you in contempt in a while, no? But of course, ayaw na namin mangyari yung ganito, no? Kasi hahaba to eh. Ang dami pa namin ipapatawag sa susunod na hearing. And I'm pretty sure na mas lalo kayo madidiin. Congressman Kit Flores, go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sergeant Macaraig, same question po sa inyo, no? Are you gonna stand by your affidavit na 6:20 kayo dumaan doon sa road?
No, sir.
No? Yun ang statement mo. And same pa rin yung statement mo na 6 something kayo dumaan going to the place where the incident took place. 6:30, 6 ano ba? Basta before 7.
Yes, sir.
At hindi 4 something. Hindi 4 p.m.
Yes, sir.
And tama, same question din, no? Kung may pakita ni Congressman Dan Fernandez na walang ibang sasakyan duman doon, na same car that you mentioned, the entire day from that point on, it will show na nagsinungaling kayo. Tama? Nandyan, di ba? So if the whole day is there, then it doesn't show you passing through the same place, so nagsisinungaling ka. Kung ganun man ang may palabas. Tama? Tama, Sergeant Macaraig? Naintindihan mo ba? Kasi may video eh. Hindi mo ma-edit yan, hindi mo ma-ano. If it's gonna be shown that the whole day passed from 4:20 p.m. na hindi na dumaan yung green kotse na yun, in that state, then that would show that you're lying, correct? Sergeant Macaraig? Mahirap pa tanong ko. Or were you already there at 4:20 p.m.? No. So anong oras kayo dumaan?
For 7, sir.
7. Before 7. Okay. Walang dumaan doon na 7. Di ba? Tama siya?
Wala na kasi ang video na nasa atin na eh.
Okay. Again,
So-
Carpio. No? Naintindihan mo ba anong executive session, Carpio? Ikaw lang tsaka kami, and then you'll be given the opportunity to say something na ayaw mo marinig ng iba. Gusto mo mag-avail ng executive session? Yes? Chair, he wants to avail of the executive session.
Okay, siguro we'll invite him on the other room. Who else wanted to avail the executive session? This is your opportunity. Otherwise, hindi namin po kayo titigilan. Because yung affidavit talagang mali-mali and the people are telling, dalawa na yung nagsasabi na binaril ni Mitzi. And, ito na, sila Mario Pasha Adan. If you wanted to listen first on that, ano. Sige, ha? Sige, si Carpio siguro, isamahan na siya sa kabila. And then those who wanted to be a part of that executive session, please do so while we are listening to Mario Pasha Adan. Okay?
Mr. Chairman, before
I think PD, is he asking permission? No. Karandang. La Rosa. Trinidad.
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to avail the executive session?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Mr.
La
Chairman,
Rosa.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Karandang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, stand up and go there.
Mr. Chairman, bago natin
Stand up.
sila papuntahin doon sa isang holding room, paliwanag lang natin na yung pag-avail ninyo ng executive session, ay kayo ho ay magsasalita ng katotohanan. At ito ay maaaring salungat doon sa mga una niyong pinirmahang affidavit. So yan ang gusto naming malaman sa inyo. Dahil dito, kung kayo ay magsasabi ng totoo sa inyong nalalaman sa investigasyon na to, matutulungan kayo ng kumiting ito. Pero kapag kayo ay magsisinungaling pa rin at paninindigan nyo yung inyong sinumpaang salaysay, eh may problema ho kayo dyan. Kaya yun lang, Mr. Chairman, I just wanted to remind them, if they want to avail of the executive session, they have to tell us the truth.
Sige. So we'll be inviting the four to